Hey guys, Ken Salville here today, and just talking about delicious food and something that I think a lot of people miss out on is Christmas cake or fruit cake. It's one of these things that's it's one of our family's favorite things at Christmas time. And I know you can buy this stuff that sort of resembles something that you buy. It comes in a package and it's years old sometimes, and it's kind of dry and it's not really all that good. We always used to cringe when we were kids, about Christmas cake and how potentially horrible it could be, but it wasn't really like homemade. I don't know where it came from, but it wasn't really very good. But anyway, we have developed a recipe, and when I say we, I mean my wife Wendy. She's a fabulous cook, and she always puts together some lovely meals and snacks and things at Christmas time. And this is something that we really love, and we really think you'd love it too. So we're going to show you sort of just a real quick snapshot on what we do with Christmas cake or fruit cake, and we'll put the recipe on at the end of the video as well. So check it out and enjoy, and Merry Christmas to everybody, and you can just make it to enjoy it because it's so good. It's unbelievable. Anyway, enjoy. Now's the time. This is the test. The Christmas cake